तो मेरा वीडियो का टॉपिक है हाउ टू हैक एनी वंस व्हाट्सएप. एनी वन, मे बी योर गर्लफ्रेंड, मे बी योर वाइफ, मे बी योर फ्रेंड, particularly those people whose cell phone you can grab and you can just check the messages, because few informations are required to hack anyone's WhatsApp. तो जब आप जाते हो WhatsApp में, तो WhatsApp में आपको एक WhatsApp वेब करके मिलेगा ऑप्शन, सेटिंग ऑप्शन में. पहले तो मैं एक चीज़ आप लोगों को बता दूं, क्या करना है भाई, क्यों हैक करना है किसी का WhatsApp अकाउंट, क्यों भाई, क्या ज़रूरत है? Just kidding. But still, it's like you should trust people, you should trust your family, you should trust your girlfriend, you should have a very wise relation, and it should be, see, any relation, like whatever relationships you are in right now, there should be some sort of trust. Without trust, none of the relationships can be built, cannot go further. If you have a plan in your mind that you want to you want to spend your entire life with that particular person, see, when I say to spend your entire life, it's not only wife, it is also your friends, it is also your business partners. It's like these days, even while choosing the business partners, Indian people especially, they just don't go with anyone. It's like, it's all about trust. When there's a business, when there's a love, it's all trust issues. If you have, you should go away from that person, you should not go to that person. Best thing. Why there is a need to go dig inside, check his messages or her messages to find out what's going on, what she's doing, whom she's talking to, what she is discussing on the daily basis, with whom she is chatting? Why it is not required? Because if you trust someone, you will not do this all things, but still you have the trust issues, then obviously you will do that. Still, I'll tell you guys, it's very easy. You have this WhatsApp web option in your WhatsApp setting. When you click on that, you get an image. It's a captcha image kind of thing, like in square shape, which you have to scan in your phone. And like while scanning, best thing, see, you can run, like by default we run only one WhatsApp in our mobile, but we have one option, you can run another WhatsApp in your phone, in your same phone. Like you can keep two different accounts. So you when you scan that particular square, that particular captcha, that time you open that second one, and then just scan that, and automatically all the information, like the entire account, will get copied to your phone. And just save it, and whatever messages are going on, whomsoever she is chatting, she or he is chatting, it will come to your phone also. So you can also see the messages. Even the best thing, you can also reply to people who are messaging her. So anything, even you can see her WhatsApp call history, you can see her chat history, what media she is sharing, is she sharing any video, any photograph, anything. But trust me guys, I'll tell you, this is my personal experience, you should not have any trust issues when you are in a relationship with someone. Trust that person. Trust is a big thing, and trust me, if you really have that kind of understanding, you will not go with that person whom you think is not trustworthy. It's like we no matter girls or guys, are like, as the age goes up, when you grow up, your thinking pattern, your understanding level will increase. So what happens, when you look at the people, you figure out that whether you should come closer to that person, you should share the informations, you should share your personal life or not. Like, it comes automatically. So that thing should always be there. Okay, just don't do things for time pass. Trust the people. If you don't trust the person, don't go with that person. You have a precious life in your hand, spend it in some other work, some other productive work. That may be your studies, your career, what kind of career you want to choose, what kind of job you are looking for, what is your goal, where you want to be after 5 years, and are you giving enough time to your loved ones, rather spending your time behind unnecessary people. It's like it's unnecessary only because when you have that suspicion in your mind and you started checking her number, her WhatsApp, that means you are wasting your time, because you already had a trust issue. That's why you are trying this method to check whether like she is chatting with someone or not. Okay, so trust me guys, you guys are wise enough. So be positive, love your life, and love your own wife. Don't go run behind other girls. Have fun in your life, have entertainment, spend quality time with your real friends, not fake friends. You will have fun on the daily basis, and trust me, you'll be very happy. Okay, and ये चीज़ें मेरे दिमाग में चल रही थी बहुत दिन से, तो मुझे लगा I should share this information with you guys also. Like most of the guys already know it, but still I think that I should share this information. It's just a thought sharing of thoughts. तो मेरे चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब कर लें. आपके नीचे जो सब्सक्राइब का बटन है ना, उस पर क्लिक कर लें, और उसके बगल में वो जो घंटा है ना, उसको दबाना मत भूलिएगा, क्योंकि अगर आपने उसको दबाया नहीं ना, तो अगली जो वीडियो मैं पोस्ट करूँगा वो आपको दिखेगा नहीं, उसकी नोटिफिकेशन आपको नहीं जाएगी. तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी करें, घंटा भी दबाएं, आपको नोटिफिकेशन आते रहेंगे, और आपको मेरी वीडियोस भी जाती रहेंगी. तो कीप वॉचिंग माई वीडियोज़ गाइज, एंड प्लीज़ डू सपोर्ट. I have so many things in my mind. It's sharing knowledge and information is the best thing we can do in our life. It's like, because no one is perfect in this world. No one. Trust me, no one is perfect. So what I know, maybe you don't know that. Maybe you know something which I don't know. So YouTube is a platform where we can really share all the information what we have. We can share so many information. When I go through YouTube videos, I find so many information. Seriously, it's so many which I really don't know. So I search that particular thing in YouTube, and I get to know, okay, we can do like this. So it's very good platform. Okay, be positive, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and please guys, support me. Okay, thank you so much. And right now in Muscat it is around 9 o'clock. 9, no, not 9, 10 o'clock. So it's a sleeping time. I'm done with my dinner, everything. I'll go to sleep. So good night to all of you guys. Have fun. Okay, and love your family. Have fun, enjoy quality time with them. COVID is spreading like anything. Please maintain social distancing. Don't go anywhere without any reason. You have something very important, then only go outside. Wash your hands, use masks, gloves, sanitize your hands every single hours. Okay, love your family and tell them the same thing, because life is very precious, guys. Life is very precious. Okay guys, so tata, bye bye, and good night with a very good sweet dreams. Okay, thank you so much.